This project is multi-model object detection and segmentation using YOLOV8. Now I am showing the running process of this project. First I compile my file on Anaconda prompt. Here running command is streamlit run app.py. Now it's open on Chrome and this is my local host. This is my home page. Here it's heading object detection using YOLOV8. It has two model config detection and segmentations. First I am showing the detections on image. First I upload the one image. So it's upload on, this is my upload image and that one is the predicted image. Here it predict the person, plants and laptop and it also show the detections results. And next feature is detection on video. So here I upload one video. And this is the output of this video detection. It shows the person with boundary box and accuracy. This is original video and that one is the predicted video. Back box and persons with accuracy. And another one feature is predict from YouTube videos. So here I upload YouTube videos URL. So it's predict. It detect the person and sports fall. It's predict the person with 80 to 79 accuracy. And the final option is webcam. Now I turn on the webcam. Predict the person. So first it detect the person with 78 and cell phone with accuracy 95. Here it detect the laptops, books, keyboards and mouse. And now I am showing the segmentation on image. So we can select the model components here. Now I upload the image. This is my detected image with segmentation. So here it segment the person and laptop with different color. Now I will upload the videos. This is my original video. That one is the segmented video. After segmentation, it just show the segmentations of person, bags, cell phone with different colors. And now I upload the YouTube video URL. So here it's segment the person separately and sports ball. The last option is webcam segmentation. So now I am turn on my webcam. So here it segment the person in real time, cell phones and chairs. laptops, books separately, mouse. So this is the object detection and segmentation on real time. Thank you for watching.